Welcome! This week we're going to teach you how to make this fun activity to work on attention with your kids. Today we make a spy bottle with El Gato rainbow and La Gata moon. Let's start by printing the pictures you want your kids to look for inside the bottle. And we will use a clear bottle like this one. To fill it, we will use rice. This way the images will be harder to see inside the bottle and it's going to be much more fun. We're going to add color to this rice to make it prettier. We add some acrylic paint, although you can use food dye if you prefer it. Add some vinegar and leave a like on this video. We knead it well. And when all the rice is dyed, we put it over some baking paper so that it dries very well. This is the same technique that we use in the Valentine's sensory tray. This rice looks great. It's amazing. While it dries, we're going to laminate and cut out our images so they don't get ruined inside the bottle. Here you can put whatever you want, numbers, letters, vocabulary images, whatever you want your kids to practice. And now that the rice is dry, we're going to pour it carefully into the bottle. And if you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel. We upload one new video every week. Now we add a bit of glitter to make it prettier and make it even more eye-catching for our children or students. And now yes, we're gonna add the images that we chose. Shake it well and let's play! It's a lot of fun, and as you can see, it didn't take us long at all. We can simply tell them, look for Gato rainbow. Now look for the apple. You can even set a timer to make it even more fun for them, or do it in teams in class. Do you like this idea? Have you ever done something similar? We read you! And before we go, we'll leave you here this Easter pack that we made. It includes a lot of cool games and resources to use in class or at home. We hope you like them! See you next week with a new video. And remember, you can also watch this one in Spanish on our channel. See you soon!